It's the Dawn Maestro, X-Car tight flow, ride with the pipe though, higher than the Eiffel, 30 rounds in that rifle, shorty playing games feel like I'm running the ISO, pussy get me excited, came a long way, remember rapping in high school, used to hit shorty up, tell her just what this pipe do, rhymes hella trifle, real fan broke, I'm just trying to break the cycle, niggas act tough, end up running like the mice do, I ain't in the shit you think I do, full clip in that 4/5 that I ice you, dance on your grave like a Michael, whack rappers praying for survival, God put my name in the Bible, only mean the devil is my rival, flex like John Cena with the title, niggas always hating, I ain't tripping, I'm good now, came from the trap when niggas water whipping, Benjamin Frank's ones I'm flipping, I'm just smoking, I ain't sipping, young nigga plotting on the riches, fuck bitches, they some glitches, never smiling in the picture.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome to another episode. Just tapping in with y'all to let y'all know what's gonna happen in this video right quick. So I lost all the footage from the rest of this day, so pretty much I'm gonna just explain what's going on with the bike from this point, and then I'm pretty much just gonna jump into the next day. So yeah, holla at y'all later. Alright, let's go see if that pack came in. Pack came in. Okay. Ain't over here. Oh, yeah, it is. Here we go. Let's open this, huh? Let's see what we got in here. Got our master link, our rivet master link. It's already lubed up and stuff. Now I bought 2 of them, which if you're gonna do this job by yourself, I suggest you do, because honestly this job is kind of a pain in the ass. Something I rather would not do. I'd rather just use the clip, but I haven't heard too many good things about the clip. So, alright. So with the bike, it's pretty much done. Got my blinkers and stuff hooked up. Seats on. I still need to put the fuel filter in the gas tank, so the tank gonna have to come back off. I gotta swap out this front tire with that one over there. The screw is stripped, so I gotta take it somewhere or figure out how to get the stripped screw out so I get that rim off and get it on here. A couple things I did behind the scenes. I haven't recorded that shit, but last night I got the clutch on. I got the cage on. For some reason, this wouldn't fit through here like on the old bike, so I went and I had to buy this little ass shit to screw the cage on. I still gotta cut it, it's too long. So look how small this is compared to the other one, but shit, it works. So shit, yeah. And then I'll just my handbrake, I don't have it yet, but it's gonna go up here, so I put my blinkers and shit right here, so I have room for the handbrake. Yeah. Alright, so yeah, so I just gotta get that connected. Like I said, I get the fuel pump on here, get some oil in here, some antifreeze. Today we're gonna do the chain. And yeah, she's pretty much ready to go. What's up, YouTube? Got some packages today. Let's see what we got. I may not be able to open it holding this damn camera. Here. I honestly forgot what I ordered. This looks like it's the gas cap. Alright. Yeah, this is the gas cap. Ooh, look at that. This motherfucker look big as fuck. Alright, got a gas cap. It's probably not gonna fit on here. Got the green. Go with the. Know what I'm saying? Alright, so with the bike right now, we're gonna get back to open the rest of these packages, but I've already rode it. Took it out and stuff. I'm having a problem with my light, my fucking headlight. I don't know why it won't. When I flick the switch, the high bright light don't come on. Usually this is the switch that I use to turn my light on, so that's not working. So I've been through all these wires. Everything's connected right. There's no shorts. So I'm not really sure what's going on. I can't really figure it out right now. Probably just going to wire a switch, a different type of switch for it. Alright, and I got the lights back here plugged up, the blinkers. I didn't plug these up because I wire them to my front light so that when I turn my headlight on, my license plate light comes on and my running lights come on. But I set this up, got the LED lights right here, plate lights, and then these are the running lights that you need, the red running lights. Yeah, and that's pretty much it with the bike. Fucking, just gotta get those lights going. Only reason why I need the lights is cause this is kind of like my daily right now. I don't got no car no more. Sold it. So yeah, let's jump back into this. What I got. I think that other thing is just a, I think that's just fucking. I had to get a new throttle cable, so I think that's just a throttle cable. That's not really interesting. I didn't think it was gonna fit in this tank. This is the tank that I'm going to use. This one, but it's all leaky right now. I'm about to fix that up in a minute. And pop this in here. Yep, and that'll work. Finally got me a fucking gas tank. So basically with this gas tank, I just gotta patch up some gas leak. It's a gas leak somewhere back here. Like I said, I already ordered a new tank, so won't have to use this tank for so long. Today, I don't know what I'm really gonna do today. I'm gonna try to get this light working. So, probably figure out this light shit. Holla at y'all in a minute. Went ahead and opened this because it's hard to do it on camera. like I said, it's just a throttle cable that I needed. Looks pretty good. Mine's is a little. Oh, damn. Mine's are a little more on the rough side. So yeah. It's not bad. Nigga didn't send the damn screws, but cool. So this is just a used fucking throttle cable. I'm gonna get the brand new one. So yeah, see y'all in the next video. Alright, so some funny shit, right? In the last video, I'm basically trying to figure out why my lights wasn't working. Basically, let me turn it on. Turn the bike on. I flip this switch and the high bright is supposed to come on. I think it's different. On my other bike, it used to do this, but so I found out the bike has to be running. Now see that blue switch? So the bike has to be running for it to come on. On my other bike it's different. So I thought it wasn't working, so see now there it goes. See it wasn't even doing this at first. So alright, so I guess now it's working all of a sudden. I have to figure out what that FI means. So yeah. My GoPro don't have that much battery, so I'm gonna go ahead and I gotta rip this tank back off. Go ahead and connect all these wires. Basically, these back running lights, I'm gonna wire them back to this switch. So when I hit the switch, my headlight and my back running lights will come on, and also the license plate will come on. Yep, and so after that, pretty much gonna be done with this. I gotta get a new fucking subframe, cause this one is thrashed. And then I just put some gas tank shit, cause this gas tank, I got this gas tank from this place called Bob's Motorcycle out here in Arizona. AZ is like a salvage wreck yard, and it was real rusty. So you know I got most of the rust out. Looking pretty good in there, but it had a few holes. This is JB Weld up here, and there's some other shit down here. I did not know where the hole was, so I just fucking put it all over here. I got another tank coming, so I don't really care. The only reason why I want to use this tank is because this one don't screw down. I lost the screw that goes back here, so I gotta figure out either buy a aftermarket screw or yeah, I don't know, but yep. Finally got me a motherfucking gas cap. You'll tell in all my other videos, ain't had no gas cap. Yeah, now I gotta do is paint the tank, but I got another one on the way. So yep, about to hook all this shit up. Holla at y'all later. Alright YouTube, so finally figured everything out. Got everything all wired up, back together. So basically, I had the lights plugged into the wrong. I had them plugged into here. This is probably like a blinker or some shit. It's probably what that is. And they need to be plugged into here. So now the lights are working. I was trying to hook them up to the switch. So when I flick the switch on, all the lights come on. And when I switch them off, all of them went off. You know, just in case I had to get on from the po-po. You know what I'm saying? But that didn't work, so everything's pretty much just cut her on. Everything's just wired to the lights. And this looks a little janky, but I need it to be like that so it moves. So that when I turn the wheel, it don't snatch the cord. So yeah, I could probably figure out a better arrangement for that. But for now, I don't feel like fucking with everything. All the lights work. That's all I need. You know what I'm saying? Got the blinkers and everything, so everything for me to be street legal works. I gotta go to the DMV, and my license is suspended right now because I didn't reinstate my SR22. So I got that paid for. I just gotta go up to the DMV and update it. I gotta go switch the title in my name, get my regular plate. The bike is pretty much running fine. Yeah, we finna get back out here in these streets, do some wheelies. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the bike back together. Like I said, my camera ain't got that much battery, so I'm gonna put it back together, do a little, show y'all the finished product, and it's gonna be it. But yeah. Alright, so the bike's put back together. All this gas on the floor because I guess I got too excited. Screwed down the seat, screwed down the tank, and you guys aren't gonna be able to see it, but there is a hose that connects to the fuel pump. Anybody who works on bikes know what I'm talking about. There's a hose that connects to the fuel pump, so when you turn on the bike, it shoots the gas up the hose. I was moving too fast, fucking forgot to connect the hose, turn the bike on, and all the gas started shooting out. So that fucking pissed me off. But yeah, got her done now. Lights on, put back together.
For real.